I really wanted to touch on this and I'm glad that you asked. So this is coming from the video where I talked about how personal finance, when it comes to being a Black person, and the content and the context that you get, doesn't really give a full illustration on the money basics that we need to have. We want to be millionaires, but we need to understand the means. So this person asks, so what's going on when it comes to people suggesting, this is my paraphrase, suggesting how to go about getting insurance, particularly whole or permanent insurance. When it comes to insurance, this is what whole insurance looks like, and this is what term insurance looks like. A lot of the times people talk about the term portion of it by the 10, 20, 30, or however, and also the affordability of it. But when you go over to the whole life insurance, I have a blog post talking about this, that people love to talk about the caveat of you can borrow against the policy, the cash value that you can borrow from. The context around borrowing against a life insurance policy only stands for whole or permanent. Do not apply this. This does not work when it comes to term. So whenever you do, if you happen to, depending on how it is structured or written, and the writers, think of writers like if you're going to get a car, you want to add this upgrade or add this to it. That's what writers are. So if you do happen to borrow against a policy, which I think this should be a last ditch effort, okay, that if you do that and you have to pay it back, okay, that if you do not pay it back by a certain date, that they actually can make you surrender that policy. Platforms I like to talk about insurance is on Money Geek. I've actually been featured there. Another thing I want to call out is be mindful of the person or the custodian or the company that you actually have a policy with. All insurance, life insurance policies are not created equal. Some of them give MLM, and you know who I'm talking about. So if you got any questions, let me know. Stay funded. That's it.